bought my first home back in July of 2021, and I've been documenting the reno process ever since, from start to finish. From painting the walls and redoing both of the bathrooms and completely gutting the floors, my goal was to make this house feel like my home. So now that we are all caught up, let's move into my new house. It's been a hot minute since I have given a house update. But at this point in time, I am about ready to move in to my new place and I need to start packing some things. I wasn't kidding. Everywhere is, oh gosh, a mess. And I'm very aware of that. Last night I went through and organized all of my skirts, tank tops, t-shirts, stuff like that. So at least I have everything organized for where I want it to go in the new house. Here I have all of my long winter tops, so I can just take this drawer out. This has all of my skirts and flowy shorts. And then over here I've been organizing tank tops and all of my small itty bitty tiny shirts. I'm at Home Depot because I really want to go to Home Goods, but I have been meaning to make a return at Home Depot for like 2 weeks now. If I want to go to the goods, I have to go to the depot. Let's go inside. I can't do it one-handed. Okay. So I ended up returning what I needed to at Home Depot. Now it's time to go to Home Goods. Shoot, guys, I see an egg chair. This is not good. I repeat, not good. Is that? Hey guys, it's significantly later at night and I have just been busy because I'm pretty sure the last time I updated you guys was when the bathrooms were being redone, and they are both completely finished and it's very exciting, and there's a lot of new things happening in the space. The bed is upstairs, I have my furniture back here, and then some other furniture in front, but this is gonna be my first night in my house. I definitely don't have everything here. The main moving of furniture will happen tomorrow. I just figured I should just sleep here. I will update you guys in the morning with a coffee in my hand because that's the only thing I brought here. So, good night. Good morning. I made my first cup of coffee in the new house. My intentions for last night were to put away some of the bathroom products that I brought, but honestly, I had the worst migraine last night and I went to bed at 11. Overall, my first night here went well. My bed's super comfy. Plans for today and this weekend. I think this is gonna be a weekend vlog. So besides moving furniture, the other to-dos of today and this weekend is to just do some tedious finishing up of some loose ends. And I think that's the gist of it, but I can't believe I'm here. I can't believe I have like a fall blanket and like my fall decor is here when I move in. Because originally I was planning on moving in August, but the bathrooms took a little longer than expected, and I said as soon as the bathrooms are complete, I will move in. So the bathrooms were officially complete last night. So that is all the updates for this weekend and what we're gonna be doing. I'm very excited. So with that said, let's get stuff done. We are at the store because I have been against getting recliners for the upstairs, and I did find one I liked, so we're gonna have the recliner king, approve or deny it. Let's go check it out. All right, we're on the couch. Zach, what do you think of it?
Very comfortable.
Yeah? Are you all reclined all the way? There you go. I'll admit, it is comfortable, and I'm gonna put in a word with my good friend Grace over there to probably purchase this. All right, this will be Zach's Christmas present. We went to Container Store after we went to the furniture place to put a deposit on a recliner for upstairs. So that's not gonna come till December, but it's all good because we have this couch and then another seat upstairs. But I wanted to stop at Container Store on the way back, and I figured I would just show you guys some stuff I got. I got another one of these trays. I got a couple of these trays for the drawers in the kitchen to store some of my baking and cooking stuff. And then for the closet upstairs, half of it is brand new and redone, but there's another side of the shelves where it's just shelving. So I think I'm gonna put my sweaters and jeans on them. So I bought 2 of these divider shelves and I hope they work. I think they'll be okay, we'll see. I have a lot of jewelry, so I got 1 more stacker. I have 3 already that have like ring holders and jewelry for bracelets and stuff, but this one's just 1 single deep one for some of my random jewelry that doesn't really have like a place. I also got this stacker for some sunglasses because I didn't really have any special way of storing them right now, and I think this was really cute, so I picked that up. I'm gonna attempt to work on some sort of DIY. I don't know what it is, but we'll find out. So this is what we have working for this one drawer. So I needed obviously this bigger one to slide in here because these spatulas were not fitting in. So we good to go here. Ta-da! Next order of business, hang up the shelves. Hello. All right, it looks really good. We have the shelf up, and then I'm gonna put these hooks like right here for some coats and jackets.
Hey, Kayla.
Yeah. Stop saying my name, it's weird.
Why?
I don't know, you never say my name, and you've been like, hey Kayla-ing me all weekend.
Sorry.
Yes. Okay. And complete. It looks amazing, minus the dangly light, but we're gonna put some bins up top, but all the hooks are in. The bench finally fits, and this is just here for the time being, but it looks great. We've been busy. Clearly, you guys can see all of the boxes everywhere. I brought over most of my dresser, some bathroom products, and a lot of other stuff. And in other exciting news today, we got a fridge for my kitchen. It was the one thing I really wanted. Even if we don't do renovations right away, I really just wanted a new fridge. I'm going to unpack all these boxes and we'll see you guys in the morning. Good morning. It's about 9:30 a.m. We're up and awake. Zach's upstairs trying to turn on and figure out the TV, but I'm going to enjoy my coffee. IKEA is on the way with my new desk. But besides that, we're gonna finish doing some of the DIY projects and getting everything sorted because it's still a mess. It's slightly less of a mess, but we're working with it.